guys, Lucas here with FastCap. This is our ETR. It's an electric trim ring. So it's for whenever you're putting a panel over an existing electrical outlet, box, switch, etc. And it makes a nice discussion ring so you don't see the ugly cutouts that you have to make in the panel to leave an opening for the ring. Now these are very, very popular and they work with any size of panel, but if you're trying to do a job fast and you're using 3/4 inch panel, which is probably the most common, they are too thick and you have to trim them off. They have these nice ridges on them so that you can trim them to any thickness you need. But since 3/4 is the most common, we've come out with a new version, and this is the ETR 3/4. Just like our original ETR, it has 4 options. So there's single or double gang, and then we have them in black or in white. Now with the new 3/4 inch ETR, this idea was brought to us by Derek Holland, the closet doctor down in Sacramento, California. He does beautiful closet build outs and garage build outs, and he's installed hundreds and hundreds of ETRs. And he said, I can't cut this thing anymore. But additionally, I came up with this jig to make it really fast and easy to install the ETRs. So we took his idea for the jig, and now you can get a jig for cutting in your 3/4 inch ETRs fast and easy as well. So when you're going to install a 3/4 inch ETR, you just need to measure to where your electrical is, and there's a variety of different holes for different types of electrical that you'll be revealing. You just have to find which set of holes lines up, and then you're going to measure from a wall or the floor to where one of your screws is, and then on the board that you're putting over, measure, same thing, make a mark, and then you can go ahead and screw the ETR jig right where it needs to be. Now there's cutouts in the ETR jig, so you just have to take an oscillating saw, and you can actually stick the saw right down through the jig and cut out in the jig while it's screwed on. When you unscrew the jig, there will be just these last 2 little tabs left that you need to cut out to make your perfect cutout for your 3/4 inch ETR. Make the job fast, simple, and looks great for your customer. 3/4 inch ETR and ETR jig. Get yours today, FastCap.com. You're gonna love this product. It'll speed you up a lot.